Hi guys, welcome in. This week, listen, not really much of a student lounge because you have an exam. The exam tomorrow or the next day will be it for Tuesday and Wednesday. Then please go ahead and look forward into Thursday and Friday. There's a couple small sections for the remainder of the week. But speaking of the exam, just wanted to, I don't know, a couple notes. Make sure you're ready and try to answer any questions before they come. You'll notice that your exam coming up, you could take it either one day or the other day. In other words, Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't care. You only have to take it once. So if you take it on Tuesday, you don't have to look at and take it on Wednesday, okay? You don't have to let me know. You just show up at the time and log in. Now, when you log in, and I'm sorry for the repetitiveness of all this, but when you log in, you'll be required to be on Zoom. So just get on Zoom, download your, and then the link will become active at whatever time the exam starts. The exam will start. Go ahead, download your exam, at which point you can either download it to your computer and print it, or you can just download it and view it. But the whole time I got to be able to see a video feed on you, not at top of the head, not down here. Just make sure I can see you, working. And that's about it. All right. So if you're choosing to print it and do all your work on it, that's fine. Then you just scan it with your phone or other device, whatever you got, fax machine, whatever, and then upload it that way, okay? Make sure that no matter what you choose, you know that to upload it, you actually have to hit, start assignment first, and then I believe in the top right of the screen, a button will show up for you to submit when you're done, okay? Option 2, if you're not printing it, view it, okay? View the exam on your computer, and then just on another piece of paper, make sure you number everything. Number 1, number 2, number 3, go ahead and skip problems. Please do not do 1, 10, 15, 20, then expect me to come in and try to find the numbers as I go through and grade these things, okay? So please be kind to me, numbered, and for anybody submitting the test, you have to show all your work. If there is just an answer and work is required, in other words, if you have this whole formula you're supposed to come up with, and there's only just an answer, it's just the same as a 0. So if you have a question on it, should I show work? Yep, go ahead. Stuff that you need to graph, maybe not so much. And then as you go ahead, there will be a bonus problem on the midterm. It'll be clearly labeled. You do not have to do the bonus problem. Okay, it is there just for you. If you try it, you can get it an additional, I think, 4 points. Okay. The test is usually and probably most likely will be 2 pages front and back. 2 pages will be kind of mechanical stuff, and the other 2 will be the contextualized learning things that we've been practicing for labs and the review and the extra practice problems, because that's really the main goal. Not that we can just practice and crank stuff out, but that we can actually use it in some kind of context. So I don't like the word problems either, but just so you know what to expect, you'll have 2 pages, 1 page front and back of just mechanical stuff more than likely, and then the second page will be contextualized front and back as well. Okay. Let me encourage you to write your answers. If it says, please explain, show, clarify, demonstrate that you know what's going on, that you write English sentences, and then just do the best you can, okay? Remember, I guess your final can replace your lowest midterm. So if this is not such a good outing, then that's okay, you got backup, all right? So anyways, that said, good luck on your exam. And if something happens while you're Zooming, I guess I should say this too. If something happens while you're Zooming, just log back in, no problem. If you can't get back in, just don't worry about it. Just submit your exam by the time it's supposed to be done. All right. The exam's only designed to be about an hour and a half. So I gave you double time for everybody. So you should have 3 hours. So in there somewhere, you'll be able to find some time to upload too. So that said, just make sure you have time to upload. And once that buzzer stops, I won't be able to push it back anymore. So don't ask. All right. So just make sure you have enough time to upload things, or at least practice it even tonight, enough time so that there's no question. I hope I can upload right. That shouldn't be the problem. Spend all your time on your midterm. Okay. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but for in general, good luck. Do your best. Even if the links come, if you choose to take your test on the next day, like Wednesday, so forth, no big deal. Just click it. The test will open when it's supposed to, and then close accordingly. Okay. give me about a week to grade the tests. And because they're tough, there's a lot of paperwork and it's all electronic over here. So, and then I'll get them back to you and we'll keep going. So take your midterm this week and then a back half. Don't forget the other couple sections, and take your time to shine. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you need anything. Bye.